Hello friends, today let's dive into discussing part C of the listening subtest. These questions require you to read the text and options within 90 seconds before the audio starts playing. Once the audio begins, you need to focus on the details and keywords to find the right answer. In this case, we have a scenario where Dr. Leach is discussing meningitis and explaining when it might lead to long-term effects. The audio script provides valuable insights, and by analyzing the details carefully, we can identify the correct response. Let's read the question. Dr. Leach explains that meningitis is more likely to cause long-term after effects if Option A, it is not accurately diagnosed. Option B, patients do not seek treatment quickly. Option C, reactions to the virus are extremely severe. To approach such questions, identifying hedging words or keywords is very important. These words act as clues to help locate the correct answer. In this case, the keywords in the question stem are more likely and long term. For the options, option A mentions not accurately diagnosed. Option B talks about patients not seeking treatment quickly. Option C refers to reactions being extremely severe. Alright, let's listen to the audio now. While listening, pay close attention to keywords, conditions, or clues that might match the options provided in the question. Also, watch for paraphrased expressions in the audio that might represent the same idea as in the options. This will help you eliminate incorrect answers and choose the most accurate one. Now, let's listen carefully to the audio.
Ah, right, I see. So how is your patient doing now after being treated? Will he experience any long-term after effects?
Well, he is currently doing much better. He responded well to antibiotic treatment and regained his mental state within a few days. Unless the patient has a disease of his immune system, meningitis is unlikely to recur. Because this patient had some delay before seeking treatment, he may still have some side effects, but it will take some time to see what long-term effect it will have on him. Bacterial meningitis requires urgent medical treatment and can cause serious complications such as hearing loss, memory difficulty, brain damage, gait problems, or kidney failure.
Let's analyze this using the audio script. In the script, the interviewer asks how the patient is doing after treatment and if there will be any long-term effects. Dr. Leach responds that the patient is doing much better and responded well to antibiotic treatment, regaining his mental state in a few days. However, the doctor mentions an important condition using the word unless. He says that unless the patient has a disease of the immune system, meningitis is unlikely to recur. But for this particular patient, there was a delay in seeking treatment. This delay increases the possibility of long-term effects, though it will take time to see what exactly those effects might be. Additionally, the script highlights the importance of urgent treatment for bacterial meningitis and its potential complications like hearing loss, memory issues, or brain damage. Now let's analyze the options. Option A, it is not accurately diagnosed. Diagnosis is not discussed here as a factor, so this can be eliminated. Option B, patients do not seek treatment quickly. The script specifically mentions a delay in seeking treatment, which aligns with this option. Option C, reactions to the virus are extremely severe. While severe complications are mentioned, the script doesn't directly state that extreme reactions to the virus cause long-term effects in this case. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Patients do not seek treatment quickly. Notice how the phrase delay in seeking treatment in the audio paraphrases not seeking treatment quickly from the question. Identifying such paraphrased phrases is a crucial skill for tackling Part C questions. If you have any doubts or need further clarification, feel free to bring them up in the main platform. Thank you.